Okay, got a STIHL MS460. This was a fire department quick cut saw for use to ventilate roofs. I got a 24-inch bar and chain on it, and here's a 20-inch bar with a carbide tip chain that goes with it. This saw is absolutely good condition. It's exactly how I picked it up. It's still got some little fire department little pieces on it, but they don't affect the operation. And I'm going to start it up. This thing got a ton of power. I'm going to start it up and let you hear it run. Just bear with me just a second. Set my phone down, camera down. MS460. This saw is in good shape. There's nothing broken on it. I've looked all over. Nothing cracked. That's exactly how I picked it up from the fire department. And it's in good shape. It depends on where you go. It may need a little tweaking on the carburetor. Sometimes you ship them out at different temperature stuff, and it's adjusted right now for, I guess we're 78 degrees, 77 degrees.